Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking Essentials. Confirm your Office Edition and Windows build so you know which fixes apply. Once done, save and close files. You'll need to run Tools as administrator to change settings. Make sure you have admin credentials or IT permission if this is a work machine, because corporate policies often lock security controls. This prevents wasted steps and ensures the next actions, disabling add-ins, adjusting protected view, actually take effect without permission errors. You'll now isolate the cause by running Office in safe mode to bypass add-ins. This shows if extensions trigger the security alert. Next, go to File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins, choose COM add-ins, and disable them selectively. Once you disable one, reopen the affected file to see if the warning stops. This process narrows the culprit. If an add-in is necessary, update it or reinstall from a trusted source. Outdated or unsigned add-ins are common triggers for the potential security concern message. Finish by checking Protected View and Trust Center settings. These controls block files from the internet, email, or unsafe locations. Only reduce protections when you trust the source. Better to unblock a single file using its properties than to weaken global settings. If warnings continue, run Office Quick Repair, then Online Repair if needed, and update Windows/Office. If the problem persists on a corporate device, escalate to IT with the blocked file and steps you took. That helps them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.